This is a 50 KVA rod butt welder. Now these are the welding jaws. These are the clamping jaws. This is the pressure adjustment arrangement. We'll show you the pressure adjustment. This is how the pressure is adjusted as per the data given in the manual. That's just the pressure. Then you put the gap stopper on the ratchet so that the gap is created and the welding jaws under pressure. Change the current selector switch, say about 3 or 4 depending upon diameter of the rod. Then you clamp the rods as we are showing you here, like this. Then you can take out the stopper so that the job is under pressure. Now you can press the button for welding. You will see welding taking place. The current cutoff will be automatic. And this is how it is welded. So you can declamp the welded rods. Adjust the gap to maximum and put a stopper over there. Then put the welded joint in the center of the welding jaws and bring down the current to 1. Then anneal the rod like this by depressing the button 3-4 times. The job is annealed. Now you can take out the job and remove the burr by grinding and pass through the process.